For this cheesy beef and rice casserole, I'm going to start by adding 2 pounds of ground beef to a greased skillet. In the meantime, I'm going to cut up a little bit of the onion. I'll add the onion to the beef and saute it through. I'm just going to get rid of some of this fat. I'll give it a little bit of a mash with my meat masher, as I like smaller pieces of ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper, some minced garlic, some salt, some Italian seasoning, and some paprika. I'll give that a bit of a stir. While the beef is simmering for a couple minutes, I'll go ahead and shred some cheese. Next, I'm going to add some beef broth, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of cream of mushroom soup, and give it all a good mix. We'll bring it to a boil and add our minute rice. We'll give it a good stir, making sure the rice is totally covered. Then we'll cover it and wait until the rice is totally cooked through. I'll have a bit of a taste. Tastes delicious, so now we add it to a greased casserole dish. Cover it with some cheese. And bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and then broil for about 4.5 minutes. Then you'll have some nicely browned cheese. Turned out amazing, looks delicious. And that's dinner, a cheesy ground beef and rice casserole. So good, you guys got to make this.